Meaning of dagger. Dagger. Dagger.
Dagger. Dagger. The word dagger refers to a short, pointed weapon that is used for stabbing or thrusting. It typically has a double-edged blade and a handle that is designed to fit in the hand. Daggers have been used throughout history as weapons of war, as well as for personal defense and ceremonial purposes. In modern times, daggers are often used as decorative or collectible items. Overall, the dagger is a weapon that is known for its compact size, sharpness, and effectiveness in close combat situations.